Dear students, in this section we are studying about some of the chemical properties of carbon compounds. We know that most of the fuels we use are either carbon or its compounds. So here we are studying combustion reactions. Carbon in all its allotropic forms burns in oxygen to give carbon dioxide. In this reaction, heat and light is released. Most carbon compounds also release a large amount of heat and light on burning. These are the oxidation reactions. You will learn detailed about this in your higher classes. Some of the reactions are given here. Carbon plus oxygen forms carbon dioxide with liberation of heat and light, students. Methane gas burns in presence of oxygen to give carbon dioxide. Water vapors and heat and light, isn't it? Ethanol, students, this is ethanol, CH3CH2OH. This can also be written as C2H5OH. Ethanol with oxygen gives carbon dioxide, water vapors and heat and light. Saturated hydrocarbons will generally give a clean flame, whereas unsaturated hydrocarbon, students, because of double bond or triple bond, they will give yellow flame. If single bond is present in carbon compound, carbon-carbon, between carbon-carbon, they will give clean flame. But if carbon percentage is more compared to hydrogen, double bond is present, they will give lot of black smoke.